I'm in here cleaning my shed, and I'm going to show everybody my little visitor that came in here. He's lost. Little hummingbird. He's all lost in here. Come on, hummingbird. Need me to help you get out? Poor thing. It's in my window. Hey, you're not going to eat the hummingbird. He's a nice hummingbird. Hey, relax. No, you'll be nice to you'll be nice to the hummingbird. He's a nice hummingbird. No, we're not going to eat the hummingbird. Let him out in the other yard where the puppies can't get him. He's resting a minute. Come on, hummingbird, are you okay? Let's go. He's still hanging there. Oh, he must just be. Yeah, I got him sitting over here on this log. Give him a little pet. Be okay. You'll be okay. Yes, you will. You're okay. I'll check with you in a little while.
What a beautiful day. Somebody's got something. Ah.
Where'd you get that from? Did you bring that
Oh,
to me?
Bastion's got a ball.
Oh, hey, come on, get it.
He ain't got a chance. Oh, he got it. Good boy.
Right here.
That's his favorite toy, right there.
Right here.
Hi, Pee-Pee. Oh, Rudy's gonna, of course, try to get his ball.
Get it, Bastion. Get it, Bastion. Too quick for you, Bastion. Did you get it?
Rudy, it's a frisbee. It's a frisbee. Today is such a nice day, we decided we're going to put our filtration in the pond. Instead of going out and spending $1,000 on a pump and a filtration system for the pond, we came up with a little ingenious way of getting filtration in the pond. I got a Rubbermaid container and I drilled all kinds of holes in it. I put the pump in the bottom. If you look here, you can see there's a pump at the bottom, and I got a grate here for the padding. So it's very simple. It goes in the pond. It goes in the pond. The filters go on top. This goes on top of that, and what happens is it draws all the water in over the top and through, and all the stuff gets caught. Now this sits about, maybe 4 or 5 inches below the water. So it takes everything that's maybe floating on top and brings it over so that we can remove it. Debbie reminded me, we've been doing this for 4 years now. We've been using this pump, right? This system for 4 years.
It works great.
And it works great. Last year, because we didn't have this weighted down, it floated up and got above the water line and the pump burnt out. So we got a brand new pump this year too. Now this whole thing cost us about $135. versus $1,000. And it actually pumps over 2,000 gallons per hour.
Yep, plug her in.
We're gonna plug her in, see if it works. Here's the plug. There's the filtration right there. There's our fishies waiting. And there is where it comes through. We have the hose, which you can see there. I'll hide that. But I want to keep it open just in case we have to adjust something. Look at that, folks. It's working. It's working. Good. And there you can see, that's the filtration. It's running through. Going from there, through the hose, back around through there. It actually works pretty good. Now we have a pond with a little waterfall. The fish are gonna love it. We got all this algae. It'll be gone. It'll be gone. Boy, the fish love it, hon. The fish love it. Well, there you have it, folks. We got the pump in the pond. It's a beautiful day. And we can only thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. You have yourselves a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.